flat. F. B flat. F. D.
Hello, I am on an amtrak to home, Dallas, Texas. I stopped at, this is awkward, this is so fucking we are stopped at St. Louis right now for like 40 minutes. I read some books, I had coffee. I watched an episode of Invincible. I brought an entire baguette. That's a terrible noise, wow. So far, I love the train. This is so beautiful. Everyone should take an Amtrak. This has been my little corner this trip. And the observation deck. I'm really the worst kind of person to be making a vlog, but I went through a lot of it. But here's some of my snacks. I have one banana left, a whole thing of tangerines, mandarins, whatever, 2 whole packs of peanuts, half a baguette left.
I love when you smell like your car, smell like you've been driving for days. You ain't even stopped for gas, my name, Mr. Postman. Is you driving to me? Is you driving cross country? You've been up for 3 days with one nap. I know you miss the night time. I know you miss your lifetime. Tell me the truth about it. Tell me the truth about it. Tell us the truth about it. Cocaine is ruthless. I know the truth about it. Cocaine is ruthless.
minute.
Shit.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, here at Marshall, this is